Hi everyone, my name is Alexander Lee from the Development Bank of Wales. I work in the Technology Venture Investments Team, or TVI. We're a team of 16 investment professionals from backgrounds ranging from computer scientists to neurosurgeons. We look for innovative, high-tech businesses that can change the way we live for the better. Our funding starts right from £100,000 up to £2 million invested on any round and £5 million invested into any single business. We're the UK's 5th most active tech VC, and in any given year we do up to 50 transactions, 25 new and 25 follow-on. During lockdown we did 10 deals in only 10 weeks. So what do I think works well in terms of raising investment? Number one is going and meeting investors before you actually need money. Take the time to understand how the ecosystem works. Go on that investor readiness journey and find out what investors are actually looking for before you apply. And please do visit our website if you're looking for more information. Number two, which is linked to this, is once you get an investor meeting, take the time to produce a really concise business plan and pitch. Investors are often overwhelmed with the amount of information that they have to process, up to 1,000 pitches per year. So they will really appreciate you going to the effort to distill down your key messages. Now, what else works very well is having proper coping mechanisms. Raising investment can be quite tough and can be quite a distracting process. So you're going to need a co-founder who can continue running the business while you focus on raising your funding. It can be quite an emotional roller coaster. So having the right support mechanisms in place is imperative. Remember that a problem shared is a problem halved. Okay, now let's look at it from the other perspective. What doesn't work well? Now the first thing that jumps out for me is having unrealistic valuation expectations. As a business advisor, entrepreneur, angel and institutional funder, I consistently see entrepreneurs having unrealistic expectations and pushing away willing investors because they're worried about the potential dilution. It's very important that you keep your proposition attractive and listen to the market. Now, number two, what also doesn't work well is not going after the right investors. Only 5 to 10% of the ecosystem is going to be able to invest at your stage and into your sector. So take the time to find out who they are and then go with a rifle approach rather than doing a spray and pray. Number three, what also doesn't work well is trying to do it all yourself. Take the time to learn vicariously. This is probably only the first or second time that you've been on this journey, whereas other people specialize in doing this for a living. Find trusted advisors and pay for their advice. It's always going to save you money in the medium and long term. Now, in terms of the changes I see coming in the next 3 to 5 years, I think the level of sophistication of business is going to increase. We're going to see better marketing, better business plans, better commercial agreements, and you just need to make sure that you are moving with the times and raise the bar of your business to meet those expectations. And I think it's a really good thing. Number two, I think we're going to see ongoing market failure in those early stages of funding, in that pre-seed, seed and super seed phase. And just a reminder, that's where DBW can come in and support you. And if you're interested in finding out more about this, please do join our panel session later, which will take you from pre-seed right through to IPO. Now, lastly, I think we're going to see private institutions come in later and later. So not only Series A, Series B and beyond, because they're not going to want to take on the risk that's associated with early stage businesses. And that's why it's so important to have an institutional investor alongside you right from the beginning. Thank you all for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you have an innovative technology business, please do get in touch. Our door is always open. Thank you.